Have you ever felt invisible forces trying to dim your light? If so, know that you're not alone. Right now, I invite you to take a deep breath and open yourself to a conversation that could transform your spiritual journey. Picture a gentle breeze flowing into your room, carrying whispers of hope and renewal. I am the voice that has been with you since the beginning of your soul, watching with love and understanding as you navigate the challenging tides of life. Today, I feel compelled to share something important with you. We are living in times when many face silent battles. Signs of spiritual attacks can be subtle, but they are present, and recognizing these signs is the first step toward liberation. Have you ever stopped to think about how these invisible forces might be affecting your day-to-day life? Often, they manifest as a heavy cloud over your shoulders, a constant sense of exhaustion, or a whirlwind of thoughts that won't let you rest. It's time to open your eyes and understand that these signs are not mere coincidences. They are calls for a deeper awakening, the signs of spiritual attacks. Now, let's explore together the 5 signs that indicate the presence of invisible forces trying to dim your light. Persistent fatigue. Have you ever felt exhausted even after a full night's sleep? This is one of the first indications that external forces are draining your vital energy. Constant fatigue is like a chilling wind that saps your vitality, leaving you listless and weak. It's crucial to understand that this isn't just physical tiredness. It's a manifestation of an oppressed spirit, where negative energies attempt to interfere with your joy and motivation. But here's the wisdom. This feeling of exhaustion is also a hopeful opportunity. It's a moment to call upon your inner voice and seek refuge in spirituality. Take a moment to reconnect with your essence and allow spiritual renewal. Meditation, prayer, or even a simple moment of silence can replenish your energy and bring light back into your life. Stormy thoughts. Now let's talk about the mind. Have you noticed negative thoughts creeping in without warning? That nagging doubt that won't leave you alone, or fears that keep you restless. These mental storms are often whispers from the unseen, echoing lies that try to cloud your true clarity. It's important to remember that these thoughts do not reflect your reality. They are manipulations meant to dominate your mind, creating confusion and uncertainty. Yet within every dark thought lies a doorway to truth. By recognizing these thoughts, you can begin to dispel the clouds of doubt. Practice the power of positive affirmation. Tell yourself, I am strong, I am capable. Remember, faith is a powerful antidote to mental chaos. Isolation. Now, let's move to the 3rd sign, the feeling of isolation. Have you ever felt alone, even when surrounded by people? This is one of the most insidious forms of spiritual attacks. Isolation builds a barrier that separates you from the love and support you deserve. This dark veil can make you feel like you don't belong anywhere. But it's vital to understand that you are part of something much greater. You are woven into a divine tapestry, and a sacred presence is always by your side, ready to restore your holy connections. To break this cycle of loneliness, start by opening up to those you love. A simple gesture, like sending a message, can be the first step to rebuilding bonds. Share your feelings, and you'll see that you're not alone on this journey. Unexplained physical symptoms. Let's address the 4th sign, physical symptoms that appear without an apparent cause. Have you experienced persistent aches or simply felt unwell without knowing why? These discomforts can be echoes of a spiritual battle unfolding within you. Remember, your body is a reflection of your soul, and often physical pain is a manifestation of emotional and spiritual tension. What you feel may be your body's way of alerting you to the need for healing. So, instead of ignoring these signs, listen to them. Healing is a powerful process of self-discovery. Connecting with your life force and awakening the flame within can transform pain into strength. Practice self-care techniques like meditation, yoga, or even spending quiet time to truly connect with your essence. As you do, begin to channel the divine energy that flows through you, allowing it to restore your balance. Disturbed nights now. We come to the fifth sign, disturbed nights and restless dreams. Have you ever woken up tired, as if you've been battling all night? These moments of insomnia or unsettling dreams are not mere coincidences. They are signs that invisible forces are disrupting your rest. In dreams, we often find profound messages and insights that can guide our path. However, we can't ignore that some dream experiences may bring shadows that attempt to invade your peace. To create a sacred space for your sleep, establish a bedtime ritual. Whether it's meditating, reciting prayers, or visualizing a protective light surrounding you, these practices will help build spiritual barriers, ensuring your nights are filled with restorative rest and positive dreams. Now that we've explored the 5 signs of spiritual attacks, it's essential to remember that this isn't just a warning. It's a message of hope, a call to awaken the warrior already within you. Each sign we've discussed is an opportunity to grow and evolve. Beside every challenge, envision a portal opening within you, where each struggle transforms into a lesson. Fatigue renews into energy, dark thoughts dissolve into clarity, isolation turns into bonds of love, and pain converts into strength. This is the power of your journey. As you move forward, recognize that each of us has a unique mission. Never forget that you are stronger than any negative force. Your inner light is an eternal flame, and it must shine brightly. If these messages resonate with your life, reflect. How can you apply these teachings daily? What small steps can you take to strengthen your spiritual connection? Every step matters, and every action echoes through the universe. As you reflect on everything we've discussed, I now invite you to take action. What can you share in the comments about your own experiences? What insights did you gain from watching this video? And if this message touched your soul, don't forget to leave a like, as it helps spread this light to others who need to hear it. Subscribe to the Walking with Faith channel for more content that illuminates your path. Together, let's embark on an extraordinary journey. Remember, transformation begins with you, and every day is a new opportunity to shine.